In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record expenses that are billable to a customer in QuickBooks. If you're looking to streamline your billing processes and ensure you accurately track expenses, stay tuned. We'll walk through each step of the process to make sure you can handle this task with confidence. To begin, the first thing you need to do is sign into your QuickBooks account. Open your web browser of choice and navigate to the QuickBooks online website. Clicking the sign in button will prompt you to start accessing the platform where we will carry out our task. Once you're ready with signing in, you'll be taken to a dashboard tailored to help you manage your financial operations seamlessly. Next, select QuickBooks Online from the list of options. If you have other ones like QuickBooks Desktop or other bookkeeping software, ensure you're selecting the correct version to avoid any confusion later on. After that, you'll need to type in your credentials, enter your username and password. This is your entryway into the QuickBooks universe, where you can manage all your financial data. Once you have input your credentials, click on Continue. Now you should be logged in, and it's time to go over to the Expenses section. This can be accessed usually from the menu that appears as a sidebar or across the top of your screen. Clicking on Expenses will bring you into the area where you'll see a list of all your expenses organized systematically for easy navigation. Once you're in the Expenses area, it's time to find the specific transaction you want to bill to the customer. Carefully scroll through your list of expenses to identify the transaction that you're looking for. Once found, clicking it will bring up more details about this transaction. At this point, one crucial step that you can't miss is to check the box that says Billable. This marks the transaction as billable to a customer, differentiating it from other non-billable expenses, and ensuring it is tracked correctly through your accounting workflows. Next, choose the appropriate category for the expense, and make sure to select the right customer to whom the expense should be billed. Categorizing your expenses accurately supports your bookkeeping and provides clarity when reviewing your financial statements. Finally, input the relevant amount that needs to be billed and double check all the entered details for accuracy. After everything is set up just as you need it, click on Save and Close. This saves the changes and closes the window, ensuring your modifications are successfully recorded in QuickBooks. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on recording billable expenses to a customer in QuickBooks. Remember, keeping your expenses well organized and accurately recorded in QuickBooks can vastly improve your billing system and enhance your business's financial clarity. Thanks for watching, and see you next time with more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.